aluminium. The legs is light, durable and easy to put on in just a few seconds. Position. This helps reduce the risk of back pain, fatigue.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you and I've got your photos opening it right here. Where in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot. You can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
At Asteroid Bionics we use robotics to make people's lives more comfortable, safer and healthier. After years of development we are proud to introduce the legs. The world's first exoskeleton designed specifically for people like you. The legs is a wearable seat that integrates seamlessly with your body. It allows you to sit comfortably in the most ergonomic position, anytime and any place. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminium, the legs is light, durable and easy to put on in just a few seconds. The legs lets you sit instantly and aligns your body into the best ergonomic position. This helps reduce the risk of back pain, fatigue and stress from long commute or working hours. Our patent-pending design is very light yet very strong, with a user weight limit of 120 kilograms. Heavy backpacks is another major cause of neck and shoulder pain. The legs can shift up to 50% of that weight to your core, reducing the risk of injury. Hi, I'm Billy. I'm the co-designer of the Legs wearable seat. I take long commute every day while carrying heavy backpacks. Over the years, my neck and shoulder pain has grown to become unbearable. So, I decided to join this team to help fix this problem with the very best that today's technology has to offer. I've been testing the Legs prototype for a few months now and it has been amazing. It has become one of the most essential items. Long commutes and lots of working hours can make you feel like your body can never relax. But with the legs, you can. We made the legs to work in all situations for everyone. It's great for traveling and exploring new places without having to worry about your back and shoulders. The legs will also change how we use our workspace. You can sit even in places too tight for the chairs and do more with less space. The legs doesn't limit you from physical activities. You can move, run and jump freely with the legs. It's designed to be a part of your body. I believe that the true potential of robotics is for man and machine to perfect each other. Our legs is the first step in that direction. An extra pair of legs where you need it the most. Our team has delivered products to some of the world's biggest companies, and we will put that experience to good use. Join us and become the first people in the world to experience how the Legs wearable seat can truly enhance lives. Thank you for your support and let's put the future on.
This is Rob. At first glance, he is just a regular man. But that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities. Because he has Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet. But that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design. And it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability. Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman. Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind. Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman. And there's more. Volterman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming. Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
I'm telling you, my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman. Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies. Cut. This is a problem that happens way too often. We can't have just one scene in the video for this. Folks, you try and remember how many times your phone has died at the worst possible moment. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is Volterman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.